Let me tell you how I even came up with this idea before my drunk self gives a tour of the fountain. So I went to bed after having some Fireball. I entered the dream state and I thought, Fireball is pretty awesome. I wonder if I can combine Fireball with a water fountain. So the next morning I woke up and started planning out this design. How could we turn dream to reality? I started gluing and crafting. Cardboard and hot glue works miracles, let me tell you. Although I think a 5-year-old is probably better than me at arts and crafts. Next was the electronics, which took longer than I expected. I did mess up a couple times and it might have looked like this a couple times, but eventually I figured it out. I definitely did procrastinate watching YouTube and such, but I could see the light at the end of the tunnel, so I wasn't giving up. We had done it. The Fireball fountain was done and I was ready to test it and celebrate my hard work with some Fireball. Check it out.
Check this out.
This has gotta be the most ridiculous thing I've ever been. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. Okay, I was definitely drunk when I made this. I spelled fountain wrong. How did I spell fountain wrong? Watch this, watch.
Why? Oh, just for the fun of it.
I'll give you a little taste.
Very refreshing, sir.
Can't be wasting now. Also, the setup is really good. I can't believe what the fuck I'm looking at. Fucking cup. The cup. Not the cup. Look at the cup. Oh my god. Listen, it was supposed to go down into that, and it didn't work. So yeah, so we got the push bar here. Push button.
Was it push or pull?
We have the push button here. Yep, love to see it. All right. It's just it's a breadboard with a button, 2 wires. Got the Arduino. Get the pump, the most important part, relay, and we have branding, you know, Fireball fountain. The inside is it's aluminum sheeting that I glued. It's like so stupid. Oh my god, it's so stupid. Look at it. Look at this thing. Yeah. It's not bad. Oh, there's some leakage.
Oh, it's leaking!
A little bit of leakage. Oh, shit. Fuck. Oh, a little bit of leakage right there. Oh, it's dripping right into the cap. Perfect. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and watch out for future videos.